Do you need the flexibility and convenience of a minivan? Well, perfect, because this November, during the Chrysler Dodge All-Out Clearout event, you could get up to $7,500 in total discounts on select new 2018 Chrysler Pacifica models, or up to $12,850 in total discounts on select new 2018 Dodge Grand Caravans. This means you can get an exciting offer whether you're looking for the lowest cash price possible or a small payment that fits perfectly into your budget. You could even, on approved credit, lower your current interest rate as low as 0% when opting for our alternative finance consumer cash discount. Let us make you a mind-blowing offer for your current vehicle and get behind the wheel of one of the best minivans on the road today. It's all happening right now during the All-Out Clearout. But quick, because time is running out and somebody might be leaving with your minivan deal.